Polite power. Negotiating with tact in English. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're tackling a fascinating topic, using polite language to negotiate. We all know that language is an essential tool in negotiation, but it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Let's dive in and learn how to negotiate with grace, courtesy, and effectiveness in English. When negotiating in English, it's important to use polite language. This doesn't mean you're weak or indecisive. Instead, it shows respect, understanding, and professionalism. You can make your arguments assertively without being aggressive. Let's see how to do that. Modal verbs, like could, would, might, can be used to make your requests or suggestions sound less direct and more polite. For example, instead of saying, "I want a better price," you could say, "Could we perhaps look at a better price?" You can also use certain phrases to soften your statements. These include phrases like, "I was wondering if," "Would it be possible," or, "If it's not too much trouble." For instance, instead of saying, "You need to give me a discount," you can say, "I was wondering if it would be possible to give me a discount." Incorporating questions into your negotiation can also be a polite way to negotiate. Instead of saying, "I disagree," you could say, "Could you help me understand why you believe that's the best approach?" This creates a more collaborative environment. Saying no can be tough, but it's a crucial part of any negotiation. Instead of directly saying no, you can use phrases like, "I'm afraid that won't be possible," or, "Unfortunately, we can't agree to this." That's a wrap on our session about using polite language to negotiate. Remember, negotiation is not just about getting what you want, it's also about maintaining relationships and creating a win-win situation. So, next time you find yourself in a negotiation, try using these tactics to express your requests and concerns politely. Stay tuned for our next video, and as always, keep practicing your English. Happy learning!